this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your headset connected to your Windows PC, whether it's 10 or 11. So we can just go on down to the Windows Start button right here, select it and go to Settings. Then we want to go over to the left and go to Bluetooth and Devices, go to Add Device, go to Bluetooth. Now depending on your headset, it's going to be easy to connect or a little bit more difficult. So I got a couple different headsets. I'll show you how to get those in the Bluetooth pairing mode. But just turn on your headset. So this is the Turtle Beach Stealth 700. So I'm just going to turn it on. And then we have a Bluetooth pairing button right here. I can hold this button down so you can kind of see that. There's a dedicated Bluetooth button with that Bluetooth symbol. I can hold this down. And it should say Bluetooth on or something.
Bluetooth off.
So Bluetooth was turned off. Now I'm going to turn it
Bluetooth
on. And it should pop up on my PC in the background now. So if it doesn't connect, it's probably connecting to your older device. So just a heads up. So if you do have it connected to a different device, it's probably connecting to that. So on my Xbox wireless headset, all I have to do is hold down this button to turn it on. And it'll also put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And it should show up on here now. Then on a lot of these little earbuds that you buy, you can see all you have to do is open these up and then remove them, and then they will start being in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So now on my computer here, I went to show more, and I can see my Stealth 700, which is this headset. All I have to do is select it and it should connect. I can see my Xbox wireless headset, and then I can see my earbuds under here too. So I can go to my Xbox headset and I can choose this one, and it should connect here. So make sure you're scanning for devices by going to show more or show all devices on your screen. My Xbox headset is now connected under here, and I should be able to hear all the different audio. Now, if you are connected to an older device, you can go here and then just remove it. You can remove it from your phone, and then you should be able to connect it to your PC a lot easier. So just do that and you should be good to go. So go to show all devices right here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.